now she's gonna let me do it myself. Needs to be beautifulito. Finally, she didn't took 2 hours. I will introduce you guys to the Michelin Chef. Whoa! Sticky still. 1, 2, 3.
Good evening, guys, and welcome back to a new video here in South Korea. Actually, it's evening. It's nice. So welcome to the house of our friend. Actually, look how the rain is. It is showering, right? Look at the view. And it stopped a little bit. It was it was before. It was like running like a lot. That's where we are staying, in our favorite city in Korea so far, the city of Suwon. In this video, actually, we want to do something different. Now that we are staying in the house, we are not going out. We want to try to cook some Korean dishes. We're gonna cook 2 dishes. We're gonna cook the Korean pizza and we're gonna cook Gimbap. I'm gonna put a picture there so we are gonna know what I'm talking about. So we're gonna start with the Korean traditional pizza. So without further ado, let's dive in. So the first thing that we're gonna do, guys, is you take the flour. You can use any type of flour. So we're gonna just oh, I did a mess there. So we need to put you put the sunflower. So we're gonna start adding water on it, and we're gonna make a paste out of it, like this. It's like honey, but not that strong, you know, and not as consistent. Yeah.
So it's not really liquid, but it's not pasty.
Yeah, exactly.
Not honey.
Yeah. It's like honey because honey is pasty.
So I will introduce you guys to the Michelin Chef in Korea for Korean pizza.
Michelin? What do you mean Michelin?
Michelin star restaurant. It's like high class, high end restaurants. So you're right now one of the Michelin chef, right?
Yes. And you want me to prove it to you? Look at the
consistency.
Look at that. Now it's ready.
So the Michelin Chef is about to start putting the ingredients. The first ingredient after he create the paste is gonna be the large green onion. Like, so he's gonna start putting it and mix it.
Like this, it's simple. It's not that complicated, or just like do it like this as you can until you see that you see all the onions are like in the paste, like this, white, like this.
So the next ingredient is gonna be what?
We're gonna put some mushrooms.
So he's gonna I almost fell, guys. Like recording him, but see, he has entire equipment there.
It was like doing like this, like coming to Spain. We're gonna
so
the second ingredient is that onion, white onion. You just
white onion. So after the green onion, you mix the white onion, guys. Well, honestly, we don't remember the name of this ingredient, but that will be the third ingredient, as you guys can see in the mix. So do you remember the name?
No.
But you're still a Michelin chef, so right?
Yeah, it's okay.
From Korean food.
You don't need to know the name. You just need to know what to mix or what are the ingredients that you should mix. So. These are our ingredients. Now it's ready. Now let's cook it. Let's put it in the pan. Heat up a little bit the pan and put some oil and cook it. Come here.
Okay, let's do that. So you put olive oil.
Yeah,
extra virgin olive oil.
Cooking oil, just any cooking oil. It's good.
Preferably, like most healthy option would be olive oil. So you warm the pan.
Yeah.
And fry.
We already have some oil, as you can see. For the pan to heat up a little bit, and we put our Korean pizza. This is the paste. You just take a little bit like this, a little bit of everything. That's a good question. You do this, just like this, and you try to make a
like a full round pizza.
Yeah, full round. Yeah, exactly. Do like a full round like this. And also you can actually put the eggs on top. If you want eggs, you can put them on top. So you can actually, that's one of the things I like about this pizza. You can control the ingredients and you can put a lot of things. So as you can see, just leave it like that until it's crunchy from the bottom, and you flip it. We're gonna flip it soon.
Oh, okay.
And the clothes are ready. Now it's time to flip it, guys. Now it looks like it's already cooked from the bottom. Now let's flip it. You just like simply do this and be careful.
Whoa!
So that's how it looks like from the bottom. Now we need to wait for the other side to cook, and that's it.
The first one is already done. It looks delicious.
And one of the things that I saw about the Korean pizza, you cannot just eat it alone. We're gonna make later on. We're gonna make a sauce that you mix with a couple of ingredients that I'm gonna show you guys later. Now let's prepare the pizzas because we need to cook another one, and then I'm gonna show you guys the exact sauce that Korean use to dip the pizza in it. So.
And the second one.
Now it's the time for the sauce. So the first things that we're gonna use for our sauce is sesame oil. This is the most popular one here in Korea. A lot of people use it. So, and we're gonna use also soy sauce. Soy sauce. And we are gonna use the chili powder, which is very important. Chili powder. And we're gonna use sesame seed. These are the 4 ingredients that we're gonna be mixed in. First thing that we're gonna do is put some oil like this. Not much, like this. Soy sauce. A little bit of soy sauce like this. Chili powder, which, as I said before, is very important.
Yes.
Sesame seed, yeah, that's it.
enough.
Something like this. You just mix it like this, as you can see. And our sauce is ready. Now let's eat and dig in those 2 pizzas. Our pizza is here. Our sauce is here. And what is missing is us to start eating. So let's give it a try.
Yes, well, we're gonna give it a try. Look how delicious it is. It's almost done. Now this is my side, my part, and I'm gonna try with the sauce. I'm eating my pizza. Yeah.
Guys, she is vegetarian, and this is her favorite pizza. I was hungry, and I disappeared my side, and now she's eating her side. How do you like it?
I love it.
Really? Can you look at the audience and tell them I love it?
I love it.
It's really, really good. You know, the good thing when you cook, you don't have to wash the dishes. So somebody probably needs to wash the dishes.
Who are you?
I cook. You didn't cook. So we need to wash the dishes. Excusez-moi.
Let's see. Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, let's do it.
Dun, dun, dun.
She wants to do arm
Wrestling.
wrestling.
Bing,
Okay, you go.
bing, bing.
I can do it for you with just like this.
Too hot.
Yeah, you go. Yeah, strong, no. Let's do this. Tan tan tan. No. Paper, scissors, rock. Paper, scissors, rock.
Ah.
Same. Paper, scissors, rock.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! You will watch it.
No. No. I'm not gonna do it. I cook. No. I don't believe in that game. Alright guys, so let's cook the gimbap. Let's jump back in time because we already cooked this dish, the second dish that we are gonna be cooking. We already cooked it a few days ago. I have the videos. So let's go back and show you guys how we cook it. If you are in Korea or you are planning to go to Korea, don't miss Gimbap. It is a very tasty rice roll packed with veggies, eggs and more, all wrapped in seaweed. It is fast, fresh and full of local flavor. And that's me. Sticks.
Is sticky still? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! You made it.
Very messy here.
Oh, that's.
It's like bread. I did a lot of it, so we need to clean this. Rice is different, it's mixed.
Yeah, I like brown.
Brown
rice.
Brown rice. And this is a spatula. A little more oil.
First,
This is.
put the
Okay, I think that's
seaweed, put the rice in half, maybe half. Yes, you can rolling. Go a little bit,
push it.
and we
You close it with a.
To like a glue.
glue like a glue.
Yeah,
And,
like you use the same rice as a glue.
yeah, finish it and we.
You put something on top.
Yeah.
She puts oil.
Put oil is better. Oil.
Ah, delicious, huh?
Looks delicious.
It looks delicious. And you put some sesame in it too.
Oh la la.
It's finished. Okay.
Okay.
And
Bon appetit.
cutting and eat.
Bon appetit.
Ah, you cut it on it.
Cutting
Yeah.
it. Okay.
Okay. You wanna
Finish
try?
it.
Ready?
You wanna try?
Yeah, I'm gonna do mine.
Okay. Yeah, well, she did this one. Your turn to do a gimbap.
Ah, now she's gonna let me do it myself. She's like, now you do it yourself.
You can.
Okay. This is one.
Yeah.
Because you watched the tutorial when I was doing it, so
Okay.
Half.
you already know the.
Half.
Yes. Spread it in
Spread
the
it.
half.
Hold on. Like, right?
Yeah, I like that. Yeah.
A little bit more,
A little bit more.
right?
It's
Yeah, it seems like that's not enough.
Okay. Okay. Mm. Consistency.
perfect.
like,
Perfect.
Yeah,
That's
I
it?
think that's
Okay.
enough.
That's enough.
And
No, you
And
said
then
it's
now you choose.
the ingredients that you
You
want.
can choose.
it's very important.
Very important.
Yeah. For
Okay.
gimbap.
Gimbap. Okay, you use one,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And then one from this.
On that side, you put some vegetables.
Hold on. Because mine needs to be beautifulito. Maybe this one I like it
that's
a
it,
lot.
that's-
Yeah.
Hold on, hold on.
You bought a lot.
Hold
Wow.
on.
Perfect. Good.
Finally! She didn't took 2 hours. Okay, now I put this here.
Some carrot.
Some carrots. Organize the carrots and eggs.
2 eggs.
2 eggs. Like
You
this.
want? If you want. 1 or 2.
2 is maybe a smaller one.
Yeah. And then.
And then
Now you're on it.
rolling.
Now that's the.
wow.
Now that's
Yeah.
the.
Good. Good.
That's the.
Little
Don't
bit
squeeze
good.
it much. You make
Good.
cut.
Perfect. Perfect.
Okay.
And
No, you forgot to
to
put.
close it. The closing button.
yeah.
Hold on, hold
You
on.
need to put the.
So let me
Smash it.
recycle. Recycle the rice. Okay, so you put it like this, and
That's it. You need to put some
we
oil
put
on
in
it.
some oil
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah.
Wow, it has been a long time.
And last decoration.
Oh!
Just a little.
It's
Just a
okay. Good. Perfect.
And
Wow.
Yeah. Perfect.
wow, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
Let's
Yes,
do
it did.
You can eat.
You can eat.
Try it. Try your.
Yeah,
Gimbap.
so we I can cut it.
Yeah, maybe you can cut it.
Let's see.
Yeah, you can use the knife. No. It's,
Yeah. Oh, maybe
Yeah.
here outside. Our gimbaps, homemade Milkies, and this one
Banana uyu.
banana uyu.
Uyu is milk.
Uyu.
Banana
Oh,
milk.
this is a traditional
Original Milkies.
Milkies.
original, and you're taking too long. Let's eat. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.